Hi, I'm just editing video 58. This material I got on the 13th of March 2020, 2 weeks ago. I haven't been to the centre since then because of coronavirus, and also the centre closed down a few days ago to visitors. The workers are still working restoring the aircraft, so they'll be hoping to get it done before May the 1st, the start of the taxi season, if it goes ahead. With the coronavirus, my age group is locked in now for 3 months. They're asking us not to go out. On March the 7th, Andrew gave a talk on the restoration of the Lancaster, where he took questions from the audience. Didn't quite get all the questions people were asking because their voices were quiet. My mic didn't pick it up. From Andrew's answers, you can work out the questions. It lasts about 20 minutes, so I shall put it on in 2 stages. That will be most likely video 59 and 60. I've been onto the cameras this morning on the Rivet Club, which I'm wearing my badge again. They are still working on the aircraft this morning. That is, I will go through all the video I've taken in the past, and if I can find anything what is interesting or relevant to the restoration, I will edit it and put it on. On YouTube, I've created a playlist. Lancaster Restoration NX611 Just Jane. All the videos are in there. There's about 70 to 80 of them. Page right down to, and you'll come to the first one, which was the paint strip. The first one is A1. It goes up to A18. Then I started number 1, 2, 3 and onwards. Coronavirus. I'd just like to say thank you to all the people who are in the food chain all over the world who are supplying us with food and keeping us going, and the services which are keeping us safe. In the UK, I'd like special thanks to all the NHS workers. They're doing a great job. And if any NHS workers are watching this video, thanks for watching and keep safe. You're doing a great job. Well done. Thanks for watching. You know the stringers which run up on the inside skins?
Yes.
Are they fastened to the ribs at all? Or are they allowed to?
No, they are.
They are fastened to the ribs?
Yeah, at certain points.
Yeah.
There's like little cleats, what are called cleats.
Yeah.
They tie in with, there's 2 rivets that go through the stringer, and then 2 rivets go through the
And do you get stringers on the top skin and the bottom skin?
Yeah. They're on the top and the bottom. They're doubled up on the top skin.
Yeah, because it flakes it up.
Stringers on the bottom skin.
Yeah.
It's just a plain stringer like that. Thin material.
Yeah.
But on the top skin, there's that, and then inside it goes another one, which is heavier, the 63 thou.
And that's the top one is the heavier one. Yeah.
That is like that.
Yeah.
On the top skin, it has 2 stringers, one inside the other. To make it stronger.
Yeah. And they're just all on with the clips when they go through the ribs, are they?
Yeah, they're riveted together through there. The two stringers are riveted through there. Through that face there, it rivets through the skin.
Yeah.
right? And then when you get to, this is not all the ones that are all in paint at the
well,
moment.
it doesn't matter, you know, 'cause I think I can
where
understand it.
Where the stringer comes through,
Yeah.
it kind of sits in there like that.
And there's a bracket on this side where those two holes are.
There's these little brackets.
Yeah.
Right, they go between there, those two holes there.
Yeah.
And then there's two more holes in the stringer.
Oh, I see, yeah.
And when they're actually tied in position.
Yeah.
So the bracket will go on there.
And then
it'll
onto the
attach
string.
to this side as well,
Yeah.
with two rivets.
Yeah.
And that holds it in place
Yeah.
and gives this rigidity as
It
well.
does, doesn't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Really is a strong piece of
when it's put together, it's very strong.
construction.
You look at that now, how
yeah.
flimsy it is.
Yeah.
But when it's all riveted up and everything, it's rock hard. It won't move anywhere.
No, it's surprising.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the kind of evolution that was like during the Second World War and just before the Second World War, where it transited from like wooden structures to metal structures.
Yeah. Yeah.
And that's why they kind of direct all your lightning holes and all that kind of thing.
Yeah.
You've got the strength, but they didn't need that bit of metal, so they cut it out and put a flange on it, so it's got the strength.
Yeah.
But you've lost the weight of that bit of metal.
And multiply that by
thousands of
holes.
Throughout the aircraft, it's a lot of weight.
Yeah.
That's your bomb load, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, good. Thanks for that. I didn't know whether I knew the run between the ribs, but I didn't know whether they allowed it to flex, you know, when it bends the wing. But no, they are riveted to them.
Oh yeah, it's a completely rigid structure.
Yeah.
And at the bottom, you see where these are here. There's like little angle brackets.
And do they just fasten to the web, or do they fasten to the cord as well?
That'll kind of come down like that to there, and then there'll be a little bracket like that attaches that to that, and that's riveted up as well.
That's where it starts, yeah.
Yeah, and that actually ties that in.
Yeah. Yeah, because it is very thin material and very flimsy, but...
Yeah. But you know, the strength is not in the actual gauge of the material, the strength is in the construction.
Yeah, like the monocoque.
Yeah,
car.
exactly the same.
Yeah,
exactly the
when
same.
they made them, yeah. Oh, right, that was good. Sorted that out, thank you.
That's all right.
I keep getting bits of home looking and I think, how the hell does that go?
Questions?
Yeah.